know what time it is? It's giveaway time! Hey study mates, I'm Zainab Khan, founder of Studimation. Over the past year, you have been watching animated videos on my YouTube channel. And I'm that voice behind it. Keep watching till the end to see the prize and the rules to enter the giveaway. Now, let me tell you how it all started. Last year on this day, June 14, 2020, I was surfing up the internet when I found a very cool animation software and I was curious to test it out. An hour before, I was studying for my online science test and I had the book in front of me. Eventually, I read the video on one of the science chapters classifying animals, which turned out really cool. Initially, it had no voiceover, just text, animation, and music. Excitedly, I showed my parents the first animated video I had ever made, and their reaction was literally amazing. They had their mouth dropped open. My mom said, "Wow, this video is so amazing, it deserves to be on the internet. How about a YouTube channel?" And I was like, perfect. Then my dad suggested me to add narration in the video and I did. Now it was time for me to think up a name for my YouTube channel. And I got this idea to merge the word study and animation to make a new word, Studimation. I uploaded my first video and I kept on doing so throughout the entire year. And every day, I would see my channel growing. Everyone showed a lot of love and support, which is why we were able to reach over 1,000 subscribers within a year. Also, we gained 170,000 plus views overall on this channel. It's a huge milestone. Well, for me at least. So, as a thank you, I decided to do a 1K subscribers giveaway. There will be total 3 winners. The third winner will get a bookmark and a keychain. Second winner will get a notebook. And the first winner will get a mug. All of these prizes are Studimation's merchandise and is sponsored by Shasta Store. You can hit the link above to be redirected to their page. Now, the rules. To be eligible to enter, you have to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Studimation, and hit the bell icon to never miss another update. You have to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. I've put the links for all our social media accounts in the description box below. You can increase the chances of winning by staying active on our channel. That is, try to be the first one to watch our videos and comment and like it. More the efforts, more the points. Each extra point is like an extra lottery ticket. So higher the points, higher the chances of winning. And the great news, it's international! The giveaway will be closed on 10 July, 12 AM Eastern Standard Time. This means you have almost a month. So, what are you waiting for? Hurry up! The winners will be announced on our YouTube channel, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter pages on 14 July 2021. By entering the giveaway, make sure you're over 18 years of age or have your guardian's permission. And make sure you're complying with the YouTube's community guidelines. Good luck! Thank you for watching Studimation, animated educational videos.